Okay, so this is how you're going to update your label once you get it. So this is the file. You're just going to, so I have it all grouped so it's easier to paste it on to the label template, but just ungroup it. And then you're going to click the name, and then just for this, I'll just retype your name. And then whatever else you need to update, just update the title, the product title, and ingredients, all that. You can click on all of this, so anything can be updated. Now for the QR code, you're going to want to update that because that's just a blank QR code. And I have another video how to do it, but I'll just show you real quick. You're just going to come to apps and then type in QR. And then just do this. There's a multiple. Now, some of these are dynamic, which you can do different colors and stuff like that, but I just do QR code. And you can look through all of these and see if there's something else you like, but you just do QR code, type in your URL. I'll just do mine real quick. Salt air edit, oops, sorry, edits.etsy.com. Oh, generate code. And then there it pops up a QR code for you. I'm just going to delete that though because we don't need that. Okay, so I'm just going to say that all of this is good for me. And then I'm going to group all of that. Now, you might, let me try, sorry. I don't know if you can group the QR code. This is that other QR code I did. It was just, oh no, you can. Okay, never mind. Never mind, don't listen to me. Okay, so group and then copy. Now, just grouping it makes it easier because now I'm literally just going to go paste, and it pastes it right there on the template, and it's the perfect size already. And you're just going to rotate it 90 degrees, and then you're going to place it in the label. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to duplicate this one. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So now what you can do here is if you line up the first one, if you line up the first one and the bottom one to where you want it, you can then select all of these and go to position, and then you can push space evenly vertically, and it will line them up perfectly in the template, within the lines. So you can do that this way as well. So just duplicate, duplicate. I just need to get it right in there the first time. Oh, sorry. So duplicate, did it there, duplicate. Oh, and then sometimes if you do line it up correctly, it did automatically duplicate in the right spot. So I don't even have to do it for that. Okay, so there's your labels in the template, and then you can just go and if you want to print it from here, and then you would select PDF print, and then you can print it from your own printer. Or if you want to send it off to be printed, it would still download to PDF print, and then you would upload it to whatever printing services you wanted to use. You can also print with Canva. So there's that option as well. I think, oh, and then one more thing too. If you want to replace, you also have a PNG files in Google Drive to replace, but you can also replace the icons very easily. You would just kind of do the same thing. You would just do copy, and it might be a little bit bigger, so you're going to ungroup again and paste, and then you can just size it to whatever size you want. I kind of like to keep it the same size as what the other one was, but this one's a little bit longer, so I'm just going to delete, and then easily just go position center, and then it centers it in the middle of the template. All right, I hope that helps. And so yeah, there's you can edit any parts of this. It's all editable. Like I said, it's all grouped, so you're gonna need to ungroup it. And then here is the landscape version. And then blank ones so you can edit. Oh, sorry, yes, I was going to talk about one more thing. I do have some already put in here just for an example and just to show you how it's supposed to go. And you can easily just come in here and do the same thing, ungroup it, and then edit the information straight from here if you'd rather do that, and instead of taking the time to paste every single one. And I think that's it. All right, thank you, and I hope this video helps.